Hi Bay Area friends, and welcome to downtown Campbell and this amazing neighborhood called Madison. The architecture of these homes was inspired by the red roofs and white facade of the Presidio neighborhood in San Francisco. I'm here today at my newest listing, 420 Robin Ridge Way. It has a really cool urban modern vibe. Let's go take a look inside. This like-new townhome offers 2,165 square feet of contemporary design, airy loft-like living, and amazing light from all these walls of windows. Built just over 4 years ago by local builder Ropes and Homes, this neighborhood offers a luxurious modern lifestyle and a charming walkable community. Entertain in your tremendous great room and gather around a large island kitchen built for the gourmet chef. A spacious butler's pantry offers custom cabinetry for tons of extra storage. The open concept main floor has stunning design, from the rich oak floors to the soaring 10-foot ceilings, plus an office nook and a balcony to extend your living outdoors. Upstairs is this super cozy loft where you can just relax, unwind, or read a good book. Two en-suites, including your beautiful primary bedroom with a spa-like bath and large walk-in closet, are just down the hall. Guests will enjoy privacy in their own bedroom and full bath on the first floor. This incredible location puts you just 2 blocks to boutique shopping, fine dining, the incredible Sunday farmers market, and the Los Gatos Creek Trail. But what's really so charming about this neighborhood is the community that calls this place home. Join your neighbors in the garden, go for a run or a bike ride, or take a stroll and catch a movie at the Pruneyard. There's so much to enjoy about living here. Could this be your next dream home? To learn more or schedule a private tour, just call, text, or email. I look forward to hearing from you.